अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। और ओरिएंटल पब्लिक स्कूल की तरफ से रिकॉर्ड की जाने वाली इन तालीमी वीडियोज़ में आप सबको खुशामदीद। स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप सबको मालूम है कि पूरी दुनिया में कोरोना वायरस की वजह से एक इंतहाई ख़तरनाक बीमारी फैली है, जिसकी वजह से तमाम तालीमी इदारे बंद कर दिए गए हैं। तालीमी इदारों के बंद होने की वजह से तमाम स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत सारा वक्त ज़ाया हो रहा है। इसी बात को पेश नज़र रखते हुए ओरिएंटल पब्लिक स्कूल की इंतज़ामिया ने यह फ़ैसला किया है कि आपके लिए वीडियो क्लासेस रिकॉर्ड की जाए ताकि आप घर बैठे इनको डाउनलोड करके देख सकें। आप सबसे उम्मीद की जाती है कि आप इन वीडियो क्लासेस को घर बैठकर देखेंगे, इनसे सीखेंगे और अपना काम वक्त पर करेंगे और अपना वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करेंगे। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ एक और बात जो आपने अपने जहन में रखनी है कि अपनी सेहत का ख्याल बहुत ज़्यादा रखना है। हाथ धोया करें हर थोड़ी देर बाद, 5 वक्त का वज़ू किया करें, नमाज़ पढ़ा करें। और इसके साथ साथ जब बाहर जाने से तो अव्वल इज्तिनाब करें, लेकिन अगर जाना ही पड़े तो लोगों से मेल मिलाप के वक्त हाथ मिलाने से इज्तिनाब करें। बहुत ज़्यादा दोस्तों के ग्रुप के साथ खेलने से इज्तिनाब करें और अपने फेस को कवर रखें मास्क के ज़रिए, और हो सके तो ग्लव्स भी पहना करें। दस्ताने इस्तेमाल करें जिसकी वजह से आपके हाथ जरासीम से बच सकें। सैनिटाइज़र यूज़ करें, बार बार हाथ धोएं ताकि आप इस बीमारी से महफूज रहें, क्योंकि आपकी सेहत सबसे बढ़कर है। आज की जो ये वीडियो है ये 3 क्लास के बच्चों के लिए रिकॉर्ड की जा रही है, और ये जो यूनिट है ये 3 क्लास की इंग्लिश की किताब का फर्स्ट यूनिट है। So let's move on to the lesson. The name of the story is Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. Now this is your book. Open your books at page number 2. Page number 2. So before starting the story, I want you to look at this picture. We can see that a girl is sitting on the top of a fence. A girl is sitting on the top of a fence. Fences are made to protect the fields from other people so that no one can enter the field. Fences are made to keep it safe from people and other animals so that no one can enter the fields. And here you can see that a puppy is sitting by the fence. A puppy is sitting by the fence. By the fence means near the fence. By the fence means near the fence. And here we can see a scarecrow. Scarecrow. It is not a man. It is just a scarecrow. Scarecrows are made to protect the fields from the birds. Scarecrows are made to protect the fields from birds. They scare away the birds from the fields. They frighten the birds away from the fields. Now, in the background of these 2 characters, we can see that there is a field. There is a field of corns. Now you can see that these corns are ripe. Ripe means ready to use. Ripe means ready to use. And we can see that it is a large cornfield. Now let's start the story. Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. Dorothy walked along the road. Dorothy walked along the road. It was made of yellow bricks. Now you can see the road by yourself that it is made of yellow bricks. The road is made of yellow bricks. When she had gone some miles, she needed to rest. Now she had traveled for some distance and she felt tired, so she wanted to take some rest. She wanted to take some rest. After walking for some miles, Dorothy felt tired, so she needed some rest. She climbed to the top of the fence beside the road and sat down. She climbed to the top of the fence. Climbed means get on. She got on the top of the fence. She got on the top of the fence and sat down. Her dog Toto was also tired. Her dog Toto. Now they are telling you the name of this pet dog. The name of this pet dog is Toto. The name of this pet dog is Toto. Her dog Toto was also tired. He lay down on the ground by the fence. He lay on the ground. Lay, like he was not sitting, he lay. When you are sleeping in your bed, you also lay down on your bed. So he lay down on the road. He lay down on the ground by the fence. By the fence means near the fence. By the fence means near the fence. There was a large cornfield on the other side of the fence, and in the field there was a scarecrow. The cornfield was very large, and in that cornfield there was a scarecrow. There was a scarecrow. Now let me ask some questions from you. What was the name of the girl in the story? What was the name of the girl in the story? Good. The name of that girl was Dorothy. The name of the girl was Dorothy. What was the name of the pet dog? What was the name of the pet dog? Very good. The name of the dog was Toto. The name of the dog was Toto. And why do people fix a scarecrow in the fields? Why do people fix a scarecrow in the fields? Yes, the scarecrow scare away the birds from the fields. The birds think that there is a man in the field, so they fly away. The birds think that there is a man in the field, so they fly away. Now let's have a quick review of what we read in the story. What was the name of the story? Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. What was the name of the story? Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. Okay, what was the setting of the story? Setting means where did this story take place? Where did the story happen? What was the setting of the story? The setting of the story was a cornfield beside a road. Cornfield beside a road. This is a cornfield. Cornfield. So the story took place near a cornfield. How many characters were there in the story? The story consisted of 3 characters. The first one was Dorothy the girl, and the second was Toto, the pet dog. Toto, the pet dog. And the third character that came across the story that we saw in the story was Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Now let's have a look at the new words that came across in that paragraph. The first word was road made of brick. The road of bricks. You can see it by yourself. A road made of bricks. Road made of bricks. You can see that this is not a road made of black charcoal. This is made of bricks of different sizes. A road of bricks. So when you are reading this word bricks, try to be more precise about it, because it is not brick, it is bricks. Brick, bricks. The second new word for you is climbed. Climbed. The B in this word remains silent. Climbed. Climbed. Climbed means get on something. Get on something. Climbed. Third word is corn. Corn. This is a corn and this is a corn plant. This is a corn plant. We can see that there are two ripe corns in them. Ripe corns are those which are ready to use. But we can see that there is one unripe corn in it. Unripe, not ripe. Okay, it is not ready to use. And these two are ripe. The next word is fence. 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 Cornfield. 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 Scarecrow. 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 The next word is scare. Scare. Scare means frightened. Now this man is frightened of the shadow. Scare. Frightened. Scare. The scarecrow scares the birds away. The scarecrow frightens the birds away. Scare. 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 The next word is basket. Basket. Baskets are used for keeping things like fruits or vegetables or stuff like that. So they are very useful for keeping things inside them. They are also used in picnics when people take their food in their baskets. Baskets. Now there are many scarecrows in this field. There are many scarecrows in this field. And they are all standing on a pole. 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 Pole is the support for them. They are fixed with a pole. After reviewing all those new words, I want you to read the first paragraph of this story again. Dorothy walked along the road. It was made of yellow bricks. When she had gone some miles, she needed to rest. She climbed to the top of the fence beside the road and sat down. Her dog, Toto, was also tired. He lay down on the ground by the fence. There was a large cornfield on the other side of the fence, and in the field there was a scarecrow. Now, students, after completion of this paragraph, I want to give you some homework. For your homework, I want you to look at this picture and make a list of all those things which you see in this picture. Whatever you see in this picture, you will make the list of all those things. Describe everything, write the names of all these things on a page in your neat copy. Neat English notebook.